if you check your flip class, you will get this, right? And please download this image. Okay. And then you just import that into your project. You just need to double click here, okay, and for that. For this, we should do something for this footage. And we pull this footage down to here to create a composition. Right? And we only need the top view one, right? Because the radar system is a top view angle, right? Top view aspect ratio angle, right? Is that right? Okay. So we use our pen tool to drag
哇，最
a
喜
mask.
欢拉弓。